Guys, this is Alex124. I am sorry that my tablet has had bad sound quality. It's just, I haven't had anything to officially record with, so I'm just using this for now. In most of my videos, I sound really quiet whenever I'm just regularly talking. And I'm sorry for that. I promise I will get something better to use. But for right now, just turn up the volume on your computer as much as you can or something, I don't know. But, yeah, sorry for the bad quality, and I will get something to fix that really soon, I promise.